We are on episode 46 of our 2017 Golf R engine rebuild.
And then,
right now we're going to be test fitting the neutral balance shafts that we had CNC machined for our balance shaft delete.
Yeah. And you feel that it went in there?
Well, it's harder to turn now.
Yeah.
You know, it's all sappy. Now it's all covered in syrup.
And goo. Reach up from the bottom, maybe?
I can see it now.
Okay.
So where's the bolt hole? That one. No, this one over here. That's where it goes.
No comment about neutral balance shafts?
He's gonna voice it over.
You got any comments?
Me or him?
Available?
Anybody. We're taking any comments right now.
Yeah, we'll take any comments.
No.
Anybody in the comment section.
Should have made him out of titanium.
On next time.
Proof of concept.
Yeah, these are just the proof of concept.
Down?
Yeah.
Left and right now. No, you're good.
No, it's good.
Yeah, it's tight.
Good. Yeah.
Nothing that I could feel.
Right. And trust me, that's tight enough.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to make sure we line up the little notches on the shaft to make sure they're back.
Oh, so how much was that box?
$1,000. Nuts and bolts and washers and everything. Shopdap.com. I think it's $3,000 for everything.
So that's not everything?
No, I went through and like I didn't need rod bolts or head stud, you know, because we're running the aftermarket APR stuff.
Oh, so it was $1,000 for that box?
Yep.
Marks is for. You know,
Does that have marks on it?
Yeah, they got different colored links.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's the one with the different color links.
They should
Then
both
that,
have different color links.
well, not, the oil pump doesn't, because it doesn't need it.
Yeah, but that isn't that driven off of
It's,
even the this timing set here.
That's the main timing.
Yeah, that is. Then this is the balance shaft.
Right, that's the balance
And I
shaft.
think that's driven off the oil pump also.
No,
Oh, no, here it is. That's driven off of that.
no, that's a separate chain that runs that.
Yeah, it's driven off of that. I know.
Yeah.
So no, I think these are definitely torque to yield on here. These are aluminum.
Yeah,
These guys.
now they should be in here.
I think there's 3. So I think this was. When did we take that off?
Are they real long bolts on that oil pump?
Yeah. We need the information on which one of these marks goes to where.
No, you don't, because you no longer have a balance shaft.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like,
Yeah, I forgot about that.
whatever one you want.
Yeah. This is gonna have a tensioner on it.
Yeah, 2.
You need pictures of them, so know which tensioner it is. I don't know if it's this one.
Yes, or wait, no, that's the oil pump. That's the oil pump.
So you got a new guide for it?
Yes, I do.
Here. And there's a guide that goes there.
Oh, this is the...
Yeah, I'd say it is.
Yep.
And that's this one.
All that stuff,
I have an old bolt, it's this one.
like, away.
Away.
Filed.
So make sure there's no. On there, and then we just torque
yes,
it. Yeah.
Yes, I'm with you. Try this on the other.
It's got two tensioners on it? Yeah, tensioner and a guide, so it doesn't flap around.
No, it doesn't flap. It gets bolted in.
Where does it go? No, it's gotta go that way. This way?
Oh, you can't have this in. This, you'll never get it together.
Yeah, yeah, it shouldn't be that tight. Okay, then this is where you use those other 2 bolts too. Did you only have for that?
Huh?
These aren't even for that.
Yeah.
So this is so these are gonna go for this.
Here.
So they should be.
Is this them? Or is the...
Yeah, it looks like them. Yeah, that's them.
Yeah. This I think goes
Oh,
on.
no, this is with all the other shit. Where else for this to really go?
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, it goes right there.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, because this is grouped with the other one we just put on. And then there's two holes that line up. So this goes on the front of the engine. So the bottom
Oh, okay.
right, like down here.
Yeah, because when you let off the throttle and the rotational mass of the balance shaft, you know, allowing the chain to loosen. Yeah. Which one are you looking for? Yeah.
No, then it do nothing. Just torqued it down and flipped all the rockers.
Right.
For lining this stuff up.
Yeah. You wanna? Okay, you got one?
What?
Yeah, there's like 14 of them.
Oh, the bolt?
Yeah, I don't know that I. Yeah, don't have that. I don't think they said one time. Most of the stuff I got here actually said one time use.
Yeah, because he's got marks on him. So,
Yes.
I'm not sure. I'd have to check.
Well,
the
no,
procedure.
one should be at like 10 or 11, and that's the exhaust cam, and the intake cam should be around 1 or 2. So if you see it like that, you're pretty damn close. And then the other one is the engine has to be on top dead center.
Yeah.
And
Dad,
What?
want some pizza?
Maybe a little bit. No, it's like 2 pieces.
3.
Alright, so these actually on there. All good. Yeah, like we can reuse some of them for now just to get it.
Down.
Yeah.
I put those bolts back in there.
Yeah. I'm just gonna
And aerobic stuff.
this stuff.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
But if you're putting it on, it's left-hand thread.
Bastard.
Lefty tighty, righty loosey.
You know that saying, right?
No, I don't know the normal saying either.
Other way.
No, I tried the other way.
No, I could have had it tapped the wrong, one size too small.
Yeah, coulda. Don't feel like it's going in.
Okay.
That's why I tried the other way.
Nope.
It's just like,
Nope.
I don't think so, but it
Okay.
ain't going this way.
Okay. Then it's the wrong size.
Yeah, so that's got to come out.
Yep. Good thing we didn't get it all together. Well, we will leave it like this. Because here's the thing, because I'm gonna need that at home.
Bag.
Here, throw
You want
this
that?
in there too.
Oh, that fit.
Yeah, that's that tensioner.
No, well, when I tightened it.
Yeah, no. I'm saying it's that roller.
Yeah. That's what I was getting at. I don't think that this is going in all the way.
Yeah.
Do you have another balance shaft or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can machine it. I can machine the new one up.
So you just leave that there. Because I don't think that this is going in where it should.
Oh, that's not left-hand thread, is it?
No, I'm doing it.
Oh. I am so glad I tried this on before we got.
Still don't want to come the fuck out. Hey, fucking balls. Probably because that fucking O-ring.
Better.
Yeah, snapped in now. Pretty sure it did.
I heard it.
Not that it matters. Well, if you're gonna get that tap, we're gonna try to tap it just it's sitting here, right? Or you want to do it on another balance shaft. And then swap it.
I was thinking about doing it on another balance shaft.
Yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna have to take this back out anyway to do it on the other balance shaft.
We're making good progress. Check out episode 47 for more.